For detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Due to me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the privation.